In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize credit card payments in Wave accounting. Understanding how to do this properly is essential for keeping your financial records organized and ensuring that your accounting is accurate. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to categorize your credit card payments with confidence and ease. Let's begin by navigating to the part of the Wave accounting software where you can manage your transactions. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a menu. From there, you'll want to look for the option labeled Accounting. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down where you should select Transactions. This section houses all the entries of financial activities related to your business, giving you a comprehensive view of your financial landscape. Now that you're in the Transactions area, your next task is to identify the specific transaction where you've made a credit card payment. This might take a moment if you have a busy transaction history, so take your time. Once you've found the payment, you're ready to proceed to the next step. The next thing to do is edit the category of this transaction. Click on the category field associated with the transaction. This is where you'll specify how this transaction should be recorded in your accounts, which is vital for both personal understanding and regulatory adherence. In the drop-down menu that appears, you have a couple of categorization options. If this payment was made directly from a business bank account to pay off a credit card, select Transfer to a bank, credit card, or loan. Following this, you will need to choose the corresponding credit card account from the list provided. This ensures that the payment is correctly attributed to the reduction of your credit card balance, maintaining the integrity of your account records. Alternatively, if your situation involves paying off a business credit card with funds from a personal account, you will categorize this transaction differently. In this case, select Personal Expense Withdrawal. For the equity account that needs to be attributed, choose Owner Investment Drawings. This not only clearly indicates that these personal funds are being used for business expenses, but also helps in tracking the flow of investments and withdrawals within your business operations. Lastly, don't forget to save the changes you've made to this transaction. Saving ensures that your categorization is stored and the information is accurately reflected in your financial reports. Remember, every time you make a change, saving it is crucial to preserve the integrity of your records. There you have it, a simple yet effective way to categorize credit card payments in Wave accounting. Be sure you follow these steps every time, and your financial records will remain consistent and well organized. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this has made managing your finances a little easier.